World-class quality, innovative technology, impeccable service, technical expertise, engineered foundation solutions. ESC Group is a piling solutions provider with over 25 years of experience in delivering high-quality and engineered foundation solutions, meeting the global challenges such as deeper quay walls, environmental disasters, more stringent project standards, and evolving technology. ESC has developed into one of the world leaders for innovative, economical, and engineered foundation projects. ESC Corporate History. In 1986, the founding fathers of ESC completed its first project at Magnetic Island, Great Barrier Reef, Australia. In 1991, ESC was approved with 15 patents around the globe for its proprietary wide-profile sheet pile. In 1991, ESC was formed in Singapore with large notable projects including the Great World Redevelopment Project. In 1994, ESC expanded to Malaysia with flagship projects such as the JB Landmark and Admiral Cove, Port Dickson. In 2001, on top of its Malaysia and Singapore business, ESC began exporting to projects around Asia and Oceania. In 2008, ESC's Malaysia staff count exceeded 100 and opened 2 new operations in China and UAE. In 2008, ESC opened its China office in Shanghai to provide an expert team in manufacturing, fabrication, sourcing, project management, and logistics. In 2009 onwards, ESC Middle East, headquartered in UAE, grew to becoming one of the best piling contractors and suppliers in the Gulf region. From 2013 onwards, along with ESC's key agents, ESC opened operations in the United States, Mexico, Hong Kong and Philippines to provide local support to key markets around the globe. ESC is certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and OSAS 18001. With 18 locations and growing, ESC Group offers strategically located offices and agents around the world to serve its global client base. Over the last 25 years, ESC has provided engineered solutions in every continent, including Antarctica. ESC products are manufactured at world-class facilities all over the world in Asia, Europe, and North America. Hot-rolled Z&U profile sheet piles in BS and ASTM steel grades. ESC cold-rolled Z&U profile sheet piles up to 16 mm thick. ESC proprietary designed cold-form sheet piles at up to 25 mm thickness. Steel pipe piles at up to 100 meters length, over 3 meters diameter, and 100 mm thickness. H-pile combined wall systems with king piles over 1.1 meters height and 3 options for infill sheet piles and connector types. Pipe pile combined wall systems with king piles over 3 meters diameter and 3 options for infill sheet piles and connector types. ESC's range of vinyl sheet piling provides a modern alternative to steel sheet piles that offers superior corrosion resistance and a lightweight profile for easier handling and installation. Complete tie rod systems with a range of connections for articulation and tensioning with options for galvanization or coating. Cathodic protection systems including professional engineering design, commissioning and installation to NACE, DNV and British standards. Corrosion protection services including blasting and coating to SSPC and NACE standards. Marine fender and mooring bollard systems designed and manufactured to PANC guidelines. Trench box shoring systems with third-party design verification and testing. And a wide range of accessories such as hot-rolled and cold-formed connectors, pile driving shoes, sheet pile interlock sealants, pile driving guides, prefabricated whaling beams, remote release lifting shackles, shear rings, tie rod connectors, and more. Over the last 5 years, ESC has expanded its capability to structural steel fabrications that meet various international standards. Each of ESC's global offices has a close-knit professional engineering team in close communication to deliver a technical service that exceeds customer expectations. ESC utilizes engineering software such as Plaxis, Reward, KREA, AutoCAD, inventor and Tekla structures. ESC has delivered high-quality engineered systems to port, pier and harbour construction, temporary and permanent excavations, flood protection, slope protection, permanent sheet pile basement walls, cut-off and containment barriers, offshore structures, steel bridge structures, industrial structures. Hundreds of thousands of tons of ESC products can be found all over the world, supporting the global infrastructure. ESC's Middle East arm is one of the premier installation contractors in the region, with a well-maintained fleet of piling rigs, vibro hammers, mobile cranes and trailers. ESC's fabrication yard, blasting and coating facilities, and a large sheet pile inventory with a refurbishing facility make it the go-to piling contractor in the Gulf region. Recent projects undertaken by ESC include Fujairah OT2 Phases 2 and 3, UAE, Watco Breakwater Berths 3 and 4, United States, Port Lafito, Haiti, Port of Everett, United States, Kaohsiung Port, Taiwan, Bay Nunna Tunnel, UAE, Malacca River Beautification, Veracruz Port, Mexico, Hinkley Point C Aggregate Jetty, United Kingdom, Mare Harbour Upgrades, Falkland Islands, Barrow Island Loadout Jetty, Australia. Visit our website for further information and contact your nearest local ESC expert team to discuss your project needs. Download the ESC Group app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store.